If you want to add a text using textbox to your object, it's always different when you add text directly through right clicking and saying add text. This you use this textbox, you click textbox. Now you draw. Now you add your text. Now here you could format. Let's use this, make them all in capital letter. You increase this. So you have to come up here at the format. You have to say no fill, no outline. Now you see this. Now you can now come back here and increase the size. You bold. You could always adjust this a little. Now you move. This is supposed to be here. Now you see. So that is the way. Now you will also go back to insert shapes. You select this also for you to write other things. That is the way you follow it on